Uh, Good morning, students. Nowadays, as we know that 12th board exams are coming very nearly. So there are some points and tips for 12th board student who can revise their syllabus by following for some particular bullet points. Now there are some points to remember for 12th board exams 2023. As we know that our timetable for 12th board is on 24th Feb it is English, and 28th Feb it is chemistry, and so on for different examinations. So for example, today is 22 and only 2 days are left for English paper. So from today only you have to start doing practicing for this particular subject English, and for 20th of February you have to start doing your English paper practice, or means revise. So first of all, in English what you will do, revise all your reader books and all your grammar part by following different for example, if letters will be coming in particular examination English paper, so you should know particular for total format of that particular letter writing. Okay, and after that, always solve the sample papers of the following papers. Now what you will do, number first, there are some point. What you will do, number first, practice MCQ questions and sample papers from book like Oswal or Aryant. Second, you will do that from 21st Feb you will start your English examination practice. Okay, and by following different papers, and for most you have to solve the MCQ questions. This is a must for solving an MCQ question. Now in gap, for tough papers, totally utilize the time and focus on that particular. If for example the paper of chemistry is on 28th of February, so from 25th of Feb onwards you will start practicing of your chemistry. Don't ever think of physics and maths. So you have to only focus on chemistry. So now what we'll do, we'll follow some points. Number first, we'll segregate our syllabus, and first of all segregate your syllabus on three points: your strong, your moderate, and your toughest. Your strong chapters you'll do in the starting, and then your moderate, and leave all these toughest chapter which are tough for you, only read them. Okay, and second, deadline means, for example, you have to wake up early in the morning, and if you cannot wake up in the early morning, then study at night, and at whatever time you can wake up at that particular time. Now set your daily target. For example, 21st Feb, complete your book 1 and only those chapter which are strong for you, especially electrochemistry chapter, which contains, and from electrochemistry chapter it contains 9 marks. So 5 marks question is for sure from this chapter. So you have to do electrochemistry chapter, and I know this is not so tough chapter, so you can easily do this chapter. Now 25th of Feb, you have to complete your book 2nd and only those chapter which are strong for you, and daily do practice of MCQ questions, and at least 50 questions. By 27th of Feb you will be ready with your 150 to 200 questions. Now NCERT reading is must at this time period, so don't waste your time by reading the reference books and all these new books, introducing new books to yourself. Only focus on NCERTs. Now previous years 10 years question paper are must to only. If you cannot solve these paper, at least watch look at those paper, that by that paper you will get the pattern of the question answer which will be going to come in your papers, and especially follow that CBSE new paper, CBSE sample paper. Okay, and follow and do some sample papers of some important books like Oswal and Aryant. Okay, so these will be your strategies which you will be following by on your board exams, and I'm sure this will follow you, this will help you to gain your result. And all the best, student, for your board exams, and I hope you'll do best in your examination. And please don't take stress and be happy, and all the best to the students, and happy board exams.